Alright, we're going to go and get the old gasket up off the block itself. It's a cast iron block, so we can use a scraper. And this is a metal razor blade. Basically just want to stay nice and flat with the surface, and I try to push away from the ports, the open ports, as much as I can. Stay nice and flat. You don't have to be aggressive. And just keep it nice and flat. Just push away from the ports as much as you can. Just let the razor do the action for you. During this process, you notice a few small pieces of the gasket falling on the cylinder. So I basically just turn my vacuum on, shop vac on, and we're gonna suck that out. Nice and clean. As you can see, gas is coming up real nice. So to smooth it out, a little bit. Basically just use the Scotch-Brite WD-40. Just go in a circular motion. And this is just to show you a small area that we just scraped up. Light pressure, don't even press down hard on it, just basically hold it on the surface and give it circular motions, and the Scotch-Brite will basically do the work for you. Give that a quick wipe so you can see how well it's working. That's already coming up nice and clean. You just have to finish up the other areas, but just keep repeating that process all the way through and you'll have a nice clean head.